In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a theme on WordPress.com in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Selecting the right theme for your WordPress site is crucial as it sets the tone and the visual style for your website. Whether you're creating a personal blog, portfolio, or a business site, the theme is what your visitors will notice first. So let's make sure you make the best possible impression with a great theme. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged into your WordPress account, you can usually find yourself on the admin dashboard by default. If not, look for your dashboard link at the top or side menu and click to access this central hub where all the administrative functions take place. Next, look for the option labeled Appearance in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. The Appearance section is where you can alter design-related settings for your site. Once your mouse hovers over Appearance, a drop-down menu should appear. Click on the Themes option from this menu. This area allows you to manage the themes available on your WordPress site. Once you've clicked on Themes, you will be redirected to the Themes page. Here, WordPress offers a myriad of theme options to choose from. There are countless themes, ranging from free to premium, so take your time to explore the diversity and find something that fits your vision. You might want to consider how the theme looks, what kinds of features it offers, if it's mobile-friendly, and whether it has the customization options you need. Now that you're on the Themes page, you can scroll through and explore the various themes available. Browsing around might give you a good sense of what's possible and help you understand which types suit the style and functionality you're aiming for. WordPress provides popular, recent, featured, and even custom themes to help narrow your search. When you find a theme that captures your interest, simply click on it. This will provide you with more information about the theme, such as a live demo, details about its layout and features, and sometimes reviews from other users. It's important to preview themes to see how they would look and function with your content. Doing so gives you a practical sense of how your site will appear with the chosen theme. If you're satisfied with a particular theme, go ahead and click Activate. Activating a theme applies it to your website instantly. But don't worry, activating a new theme won't delete any of your content. It will only change its aesthetic presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to select a theme on WordPress.com. Make sure to customize your new theme to fit the branding of your site. I hope this guide helps streamline the process for you as you build your ideal website. Thanks for watching, and happy theme hunting.